Television is one of the most romantic and hottest couple, Aamir and Sanjeeda, exclusively on Bollywood Now. Welcome to Bollywood Now. And what keeps you so much in love?
I guess the way Sanji is, the way just the way she is.
Yeah, we're just in love, so it just shows.
You have very cute picture on the calendar. So, what is the mystery behind this? I mean, look at the picture. It's awesome.
Us together, that's about it.
Yeah, I think there's the magic which you all can see, and it's effortless. The chemistry has to be there.
Right. Valentine's is next month. So, what are special plans for each other?
You all
Can you
have
just?
to buy this calendar and set your calendar
For
on the
Feb.
month of-
Luckily, you guys on February also.
Yeah, so month
So
of
that's
Feb.
the mystery.
That's the
Love
mystery.
month and love.
Yeah, forget Jan, just straight come on Feb and just keep this throughout the whole year.
What all special plans for Sanjida?
For Feb,
Yeah.
you know,
I would want to keep it
It's ju-
very,
it's just-
Secret.
yeah, but the plans are just going on. I'm on a break, so
You don't want to tell us.
no, I'm on a break right now.
He's secretive.
I'm on a
He
break.
is, and
I'm
he can really surprise me. Yeah, he can.
Okay.
we are on a break and just traveling and having fun. So every week is a Valentine's for us right now.
Right. What do you think?
I think he should surprise me.
You prefer surprises.
I actually don't like surprises,
Yeah.
but he manages it really well. So.
When you guys fight, who makes up for each other?
I think Sanji.
Yeah, I think
Always. Oh, he's so
She's
honest.
sweeter.
Always.
not always.
Okay.
Like
is he
he's sweeter always, but
Yeah, when I
He's
think I
also-
mess up sometimes. But
Both
at
of
that
us,
time
yeah.
Sanji covers up, but most of the
it's not
time
that
it's
it
me.
never happened that we would not talk to each other for like a day or two.
Yeah.
We would just
It's
finish
never
in like
happened.
half. Yeah,
Yeah.
touch wood. Yeah.
That credit goes to her.
Okay, is he really romantic by heart?
Of course he is. Like really, he
Like
is.
Raj and Simran types.
He's not Raj and Simran type. He's Amir Ali types. Yeah.
I'm like
He's
today-
got his
today's
own way
type,
of showing
yeah.
his romance. So yeah.
Okay, how long did you take to dress up today? Looking absolutely stunning in this dress, and especially the neck piece is superb.
Oh wow! I am like getting so many compliments on my neck
Very
piece, and
nice.
that is Ali's gift for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
super.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so how long did you do?
No, actually, you know what? I shouldn't take more time to dress up. It was really quick.
Quick?
So yeah, it ended up really well. So I'm happy.
Okay. Mumbai is hitting the winters. So what all change in wardrobe?
Boots, jackets. I love wearing boots. So this is gonna be.
always complain that there's no winter.
There's no winter. Actually, there's no winter. We've been traveling all over. That's the reason you see me in a tee.
Right.
Because I'm not feeling cold. We've come from real cold countries and cold places. So I'm still waiting for winter to come here.
Okay. What's cooking with Dag? We got to know that you've signed Dag and a lot of rumors.
Really?
Yeah.
What's that?
Okay.
See,
No, I
I
would
thought-
want to know more
I
about
thought-
this. I really don't know about
I
this.
thought Deepika Padukone was doing that.
She backed Dag on Star Plus.
Really? Deepika?
No, you.
No. I can't comment on this. I really don't know about this. What you're talking? It's a gossip for me.
No, I really read
I'll
somewhere
go
that
and
you've
Google
signed
about
Dag,
this.
a
Really?
show
Really?
called Dag on Star Plus.
Okay.
So you have backed the lead role. So I just
Really?
wanted- Yeah.
Are you happy for
I
me?
got to know somewhere. That's what I'm asking for.
No, I really have no idea about this.
Okay, lastly, one message to all my audience.
बॉलीवुड नाउ के सभी व्यूअर्स को संजीदा और आमिर की तरफ से
A very, very happy new year.
गॉड ब्लेस लव यू ऑल
Okay. Last. Well, this was very beautiful and stunning couple Aamir and Sanjeeda Sheikh in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now, and keep watching Bollywood Now for all the latest updates on television and Bollywood.
Hi, this is Amir Ali. Please keep watching Bollywood now.